Multan is a city located in the Punjab province of Pakistan. Known as the City of Sufis and City of Saints, it is one of the oldest cities in the region, with a rich history that spans over several centuries. Multan is an important cultural and commercial center with a diverse population that includes people from all over Pakistan and the surrounding regions. History of Multan. Multan's history dates back to the Bronze Age, with evidence of human settlements in the region dating back to around 4,000 years ago. The city has been ruled by various empires and dynasties throughout its history, including the Greeks, the Mauryans, the Kushans, the Hephthalites, the Arabs, and the Mongols. Multan's strategic location at the crossroads of the ancient trade routes between Central Asia, India, and the Middle East made it an important center of trade and commerce. The city was known for its textiles, pottery, and metalwork, and was famous for its production of high-quality cotton fabrics. Multan also has a rich cultural and religious heritage. The city was an important center of Sufism, with many Sufi saints and shrines located in and around the city. Multan is also home to several Hindu temples, including the famous Sri Ram Temple, which is one of the oldest and largest Hindu temples in Pakistan. Tourist attractions. Multan is a city that is full of historical and cultural attractions, making it a popular destination for tourists from all over the world. Some of the most famous tourist attractions in Multan include the Mausoleum of Shah Rukn-e-Alam. This Multan Museum. This is a museum that showcases the history and culture of Multan and the surrounding regions. The museum has a collection of artifacts, including pottery, textiles, and metalwork. The Walled City of Multan. This is the old city of Multan, which is surrounded by a wall that dates back to the 14th century. The walled city is full of narrow streets and ancient buildings, and is a must-visit for anyone interested in history and culture.